BMW India will commence local assembly of the Mini Countryman at the Chennai plant with a launch expected in second half of this year. The third generation model was launched in July 2024 as an EV with a single high-performance petrol variant 300 HP Countryman JWC all four, joining over a year later in October 2025, both of which are CB imports. Local assembly will be only for the petrol variant, and it is expected to come in a lower spec trim with two-wheel drive layout. Both previous generation of Countryman were assembled in India, the first commencing in May 2013 and second May 2018. The Countryman petrol is based on the same front-wheel drive system as the BMW X1, which is also assembled in India. It shares the same petrol engine with a 1.5-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged unit mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox. The possibility for more powerful Countryman as a 218 bhp 2-liter engine cannot be ruled out. While the Countryman JWC all-4 is priced at 64.9 lakhs, the local assembly is expected to cost far less and closer to BMW X1 rupees 51 lakhs price point. The previous generation assembled petrol model cost 48 lakhs when it was last sale in 2024. Given inflation and depreciation of the rupee against the pound, so you can expect it to be priced around 55 lakhs ex-showroom. BMW Group recently recorded best ever Q1 sales in India, allowing it to nudge ahead of Mercedes-Benz for the first time in over a decade. The mini brand saw 42% growth, and introduction of an all-new locally assembled Countryman SUV will boost it even further.